If you want to add an email account to your laptop in Windows 11, this process works whether you're using Outlook, Gmail, or Hotmail. It only takes a few simple steps to set everything up. Start by opening the Start menu on your computer. In the search bar, type Microsoft Store and open the app. Once the Microsoft Store launches, click on the search field at the top and type Outlook. Press Enter and look for Outlook for Windows in the results. Make sure this app is installed on your device. Most Windows 11 computers already come with it pre-installed, but if it's missing, you can download and install it directly from the store. After confirming it's installed, click the Open button to launch Outlook. When the app starts, if you're not already signed in, you'll see a field asking for your email address. Enter your email and select Continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Once your first account is successfully added and you're inside the Outlook app, you can add additional email accounts if needed. To do that, click on the Add Account option, usually located near the bottom of the screen. Enter the new email address and follow the prompts to link it to Outlook. After completing these steps, your email account will be connected and ready to use on your Windows 11 laptop.